MJ, Daddy, welcome to Hong Kong. MJ, yan si ate.
It's so cold.
Oo nga, it's so cold. But it's the aircon. Hi guys, welcome.
Where's Ada?
Welcome to Hong Kong.
MJ.
Welcome, buddy. Kuya, welcome.
Guys, we're here at Hong Kong. Slay.
Slay siya sa Hong Kong. Slay. Ate, welcome. Welcome to Hong Kong. Lamig. Ha?
The carpet is so soft.
Tawag ka? So lamig. Lapit na kami na airport. Feels like we're in Singapore, right? Walk lang. MJ, where are you going? Come on, buddy, fast. Nag-vocalator pa talaga siya from the dulo. Okay. Papunta na kami ng immigration. So, bawal na mag-video dun sa immigration. But yeah, we're here. Thank you, Lord, for the safe flight.